Tilling the soil to plant pumpkins. When finished tilling, dig a hole with a hoe. Dig the next hole with an interval of 11.8 inches. Put 50 grams of chicken manure and 50 grams of cow manure in each hole. Finally, place the tilled soil on top and you are ready to plant pumpkins. Pumpkin seedlings planted. Mowed grass around the seedlings because of the hot weather. This will help retain a little moisture around the seedlings. It's been a day since I put down the grass. The grass had shrunk in the heat, so I cut the grass again and added more. Hopefully the pumpkins will grow well. It's been over a week since I planted the pumpkins. The pumpkin leaves are turning a little yellow. Sow oil cake around the seedlings. The amount of oil cake is enough to go around the seedlings. After sowing the oil cake, I watered the seedlings. I hope the seedlings will grow well. It has been 3 days since I sowed the oil meal. The leaves of the pumpkins seem to be getting healthier. The buds are coming out too. I hope it will grow well. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel and give me a high rating. What crops are you growing? Let us know in the comments. Thank you for watching.